a cooking video today, but Aaron has a food challenge for me. He's always making fun of me because I can't finish whatever I put on my plate. So he thought it was a good idea to go to Sheetz and get these mammoth burritos. See who finishes it first. It's technically not a race. We're just going to see who finishes. And if we both do, who finishes first. So here we go. They're about 1.5 pounds. Tops. He got a pork and I got a chicken. This should be interesting. I don't know if I'm actually going to finish, but here we go.
Bottoms up.
You see the size of this thing?
What is it? From where?
Sheetz.
Really?
Oh my.
Like I said, bottoms up.
What are those?
Burritos from Sheetz.
Aaron's gonna finish it. We know Aaron will. He's got a bottomless pit.
I figured they were big, but not like this.
Hey, Ron.
Oh, there's probably going to be plenty more.
I don't know. You're like Furious Pete, Aaron. Show Furious Pete up.
Yeah, probably not gonna happen.
No, tag them in the video.
Boom boom sauce is kind of
Ron, have
spicy.
you heard anything about the kid?
Hmm? Not yet.
Okay.
Well,
Oh,
worst part's getting tortilla chewed up.
Was it flour or corn?
Flour.
Holy crap, that was one hell of a bite.
He's like half done.
Can't let the food win twice in a row. Yeah, like corn on the cob.
We'll label the video Ode to Furious Pete.
Should have Aaron do the 50 pounds of pierogies.
Yeah. Yeah.
or 142 bowls of rice or noodles.
They were in full bowls. So.
Still, 142?
140 is. If you divide that by 2, that'd be actually how many full bowls you had.
Yeah.
Still 71 bowls.
5-minute marker.
taco sauce on it would go really good.
They didn't have that on the menu.
Take your time, Aaron. Settle down. Sit back and relax.
Sure you want me to do that?
Mm-hmm. Gotten farther than I thought I would.
Yeah, the funny thing is, Aaron ate a bowl of chili already.
Really?
What? Well, tortilla shells. Some cheese.
That's what I'm saying. You're done? Holy cow. Well, I guess we know who finished first. I figured he would. They do taste good, but like I said, getting around that tortilla shell
See how much you got left.
right there. Not bad. I didn't think I'd make it that far. Well, you guys watch the video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Aaron liked it. Andy finished it. I don't know if I'm going to finish it. But, like the video. Give us a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. Remember, we're on YouTube and we're on Twitter also at KIITK2. Look us up on there. We are going to have some more videos coming up soon. Just been kind of moving slow lately. Trying to get our subscribers up there, but thanks for the support that we do have so far. We do appreciate it. You guys have a good night and keep killing it in the kitchen.